Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use double app in one screen. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open any one app like WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp, and from here you tap on corner three lines. Tap on this and tap on three dots. Tap on this and tap on split screen. And after that, open second app like YouTube. From here you guys can see open two apps at one screen. If you need YouTube top and WhatsApp down, then tap on three dot and tap on swipe side. Tap on this, you guys can see. If the method doesn't work, then go back and close both apps. Close this and open again any one app like Snapchat, and from here what you need to do it, tap on three fingers and scroll up, and after that open second apps like Facebook. Tap on this, you guys can see open two apps in one screen. If the method doesn't work, then go back your home screen and close both apps. And after that open your setting, tap on setting and scroll down and tap on special features. Tap on this, and from here you tap on split screen. Tap on this, you guys can see show split screen option. If the toggle turn off, you have turn on. And after that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.